This is a 2007 Lexington by Forest River. 19,000 miles. It's being offered by Professional Sales RV in Colleyville, Texas. We're located between Dallas and Fort Worth. We're a family-owned and operated dealership. And you can contact us at 800-899-2800, or you can see us on the web at prosalesrv.com. This is called a 255 floor plan. It's about, well, what's nice about this coach is that it has two slides in a smaller coach. Has a dinette slide, and the bed slides out. And this is powered by a Ford V10. And 19,500 miles. It does have the backup camera. This is a non-smoking coach. It's a flat screen TV. The AM/FM CD DVD player. Could be the booth dinette that does make into a bed. And you have the tile walkway from the entry all the way through the kitchen and the bath area. Have the convection microwave down at the bottom under the 3-burner cooktop. 2-door refrigerator. And then the pull-out pantry here. Monitor panel. I should have turned some lights on. Nice wardrobe space for this size coach. And you have the bed, which is in a slide, so you can walk around the bed. Has ducted air conditioning. Here's the shower area and the toilet area. And again, this is offered by Professional Sales RV. Please give us a call if we can help you.